There are 118 elements in the periodic table, and or rather, most of these elements, that is excluding the noble gases, tend to undergo chemical reactions and lead to formation of molecules. And these elements also exist as molecules. So molecules are basically atoms which are combined together. But this led to various questions that needed answering. First one, why do atoms combine? Scientists didn't really know why atoms had to undergo a chemical reaction in the first place. Second, why are only certain combinations possible? No matter what, we won't like there is a certain chemical combination possible for a certain atom, and scientists didn't really know why that was the case. Like why they didn't know why there was only certain things that were possible and the others were not. Why do some atoms combine while certain others do not? Like our noble gases do not undergo chemical reactions, whereas our halogens and alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, these are quite reactive in nature. So scientists couldn't understand why these elements didn't undergo chemical reactions while noble gases didn't undergo chemical reactions while the others could. Why do molecules possess a definite shape? So there was a big question as to like what led to molecules having a proper shape. Like at this point in time, if somebody asks what is the shape of hydrogen peroxide, you would say a half open book structure. But scientists didn't really know why these molecules had a proper shape in the first place. So basically, all the elements or atoms, or rather ions, all of these are held together with an attractive force. And this attractive force is called a chemical bond. So atoms or ions, all of these are held together in a molecule and they form a chemical bond. In this chapter, we will be discussing about the various theories pertaining to the chemical to this one to these two words chemical bond, like why we'll be studying about what each scientist understood. And I'll tell you this now itself. M- uh, like few of these theories were before the discovery of rather the um, deeper understanding the scientists got from the Scronin, I'm sorry, quantum mechanical model of the atom. It was before all of that. So we will go from very simple, basic understanding of the molecules and the atoms and the chemical bonds, and then we'll move on to understanding it from a quantum um, mechanical model of the atoms standpoint. So in this chapter, we will be learning about Clausius-Lewis approach to chemical bonding, ionic or electrovalent bond parameters, the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, VESPA theory, valence bond theory, hybridization, molecular orbital theory, bonding in some homonuclear diatomic molecules, and hydrogen bonding. So in the next video, we will be discussing the Clausius-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. So do check it out.